In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this curve point and modifiers based abstract art image. This is how the mesh looks like. This mesh was created in less than 2 minutes in total, and it started from a curve point. I have saved the progress to show you how the mesh was created. This was the base mesh. I have created a curve point, extruded it, subdivided it, and beveled it. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. E to extrude, Enter to settle, type A to select all. Then right-click and type S to subdivide it like this. After that, I applied an array modifier. Then I converted the curve to mesh, subdivided the mesh, and applied a displace modifier. This was the first texture used. Then I added a second displace modifier and applied a cloud texture. I'll show you the material, environment light, and composite node settings next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.